I'm Amanda. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the Chinese numbers. I will teach you the Chinese numbers again, but I add something of time and year and the date. Okay, let's get started. I will write on the board of different Chinese numbers. You could look at how the strokes going. So let's get started. From 1 to 10, and I will write 0 also. Okay, first, 一, that is 1. 2, 2 strokes, that is 2. And 3, it's 3 strokes. And 3, 4 is not the strokes like 4 horizontals. It's like this. Vertical and horizontal and turning, and then this is 4, 4. And here 5, horizontal, vertical, and horizontal turning and horizontal. There's 5, 5. And 6 is 6, a dot and a horizontal here and here, 6. And 7 is like this, 7, 7. And 8 is like this, and then 8. And 9 is 9, 9 is 9. And 10 is 10, 10. From 1 to 10, I will repeat again. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Just now I said I will write 0, 2. 0 is a little stranger and more strokes. And 0 we should write before 1. Le, ying, ling, called 0. This is ling, ling. I will repeat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if we express 11, 11 is 10 plus 1. In Chinese meaning, that is 10 plus 1. So, where is 10? Here is 10, right? Here, 10 called 10. So, we write 10 first. 11 equals to 10 first. And where is 1? Where is 1? Where is 1? 1 is 1, yes. So we write together, that is 11, 11. 11 means 11. So we could guess that 12, that is 12. Yes, 12 equals to 10 plus 2, that is 10 and 2. Yes, so 13, 13, that is 13 is 13. And 14, that is easy. Yes, 14, 14. 15, that is 15. You know, very, very easy. Yes. So, if we learned 15 how to say and 12 how to say, then we could say the months. From January to December, use these numbers. Okay, let's learn how to say months. Months in Chinese is 月, 月, 月. It's right like this. 月, 月. So we use these numbers to express months. To express January, we use 一 and 月. That is, January in Chinese is 一月. 一月. It's write like this, 一 and 月. So you guessed. February, we use 二 and 月. Yes, that is 二月. 三月 is March. 三月. So April is 四月 and May is 五月. You could learn how I write, so you could know the strokes going. Please see carefully. And June is 六月. And July is 七月. August is 八月. And September is 九月. And October is 十月. November, just now we have learned 11, that is 十一月. And December is 十二月. Very easy to master the months from January to December, right? Okay, and we could use these numbers from 1 to 6. Note, I only say 1 to 6 to say weekday. Yes, the weekday from Monday, not from Sunday. I will tell you why later. 星期一 means Monday. 星期一 here 一 so 星期一 is Monday. So Tuesday is 星期二 and then Wednesday is 星期三 and Thursday is 星期四 and then Friday is 星期五 and then Saturday is 星期六. But just now I said we use from 1 to 6 only to express the weekday. Why? Because Sunday in Chinese we translate as 星期日 or 星期天. Yes, 星期日 or 星期天. 星期日 or 星期天 we called Sunday. Yes, 日西英星期日星期特一安天星期天. That is Sunday. So only Sunday different. The others from Monday to Saturday, we use the numbers to express the weekdays. Okay, and I will learn how to express the time. Use the numbers, but we should learn how to say 30 and how to say 45 and 20. So first, let's learn 30. 30. So first, I will show you how to say 20. That is easier for you to know 30. 20. In Chinese mind, that is 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, that is 2 tenths. We could to understand like this, 2 pieces of 10. 2 pieces of 10. 两个十 that is 20. That is 二 where is 两 means 二 20 20 So 30 is 30 and 40 is and 40 is 40. But if we express this 45. That is 40 plus that so we could 45 means 40 40 plus 5 40 here 40 and then 5 is here 45 so we could say 46 that is 46 so you could understand. And then if we speak time, we learn another word that is 点 and 分的 an 点 分 点 means hour and 分 means minute. So 1 and 15 it means 1点15分 点 means hour 1点 and then 15分 and this 3 is 3点 and 30 just now we have learned 30分 and 45 that is 4 is 4点45分 just now we have learned 45 and it's 5 and 20 that is 5点20分 and we express year 2005 our 2005 2005 and 2025 our 2025 our 1999 this kind of year, but in Chinese we only speak the numbers out, that is okay. 2005 but we add a word that is 年 at the back of the numbers, that is 0 just now I wrote 0 2005年 we need add 年 means year behind the numbers 2005年 and this is 2025年 2025年 年 that means year and this 1999 it is 1 is 1 and then 9 is 9 1999年 1999年 so this is to use the numbers to express year. And if we express date, we need to know 月 is to indicate March, April, and May. Just now we have learned. March is 3月, so you know March is 3月, right? But the third, how to express? The third, we should know another word, date. We add this word, date, behind the numbers. This called how. This third is 3号3月3号 and this is 2005. But in Chinese, we should express year in front. So that is, we should say year in front of month and date. Year is 2005年 and then March 3月3号 and the same as this, so we speak the year first, that is 2015年 yes 2015年4月 April is 4月5号 how to indicate the date, and this is we should say year first 2024年 yes 2024年 May is 5月and 20 is just now we have learned 20号 so from the numbers we mastered 星期月 this is 星期月 and we know 点 and 分 means minutes, and when we know another word 年 means year, and then to express the date we know another word that is 号 okay, let's repeat again 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10星期日星期天星期一1月2月 to 12月1点15分3点30分2005年2025年1999年 This kind of the phrase that 2005年3月3号2015年4月5号2024年5月20号 So this is the Chinese numbers to express different phrase, week, month, date, time. Okay, this is today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. 再见。